Hello, I'm Dr. Lucy Chen. I'm with Arizona Radiation Oncology Specialists, and I'd like to speak with you today about using our TrueBeam STX machine in the treatment of lung cancer. This animation shows a model of a lung tumor in a patient. The patient will have already undergone a planning session with respiratory gating, meaning that the motion of the tumor has been captured for treatment planning. A plan will have been devised to treat the lung tumor during the part of the breathing cycle that has the tumor in the treatment field. This animation shows how the TrueBeam STX allows us to shape the beam and treat the lung tumor with minimal normal lung tissue being treated. The machine rotates around the patient and radiation is delivered very accurately to the tumor. This minimizes any side effects that can happen during the course of radiation therapy, which may be about 6 to 7 weeks with conventional therapy or 1 to 2 weeks with stereotactic body radiation therapy. With stereotactic body radiotherapy technology, we are able to offer higher tumor control rates with fewer short-term and long-term side effects. This technology also allows us to treat conventionally with fewer side effects as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to call and we'd be happy to answer your questions.